In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up your terminal. It's going to be very fast and easy. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to hold the command button and we're going to press the space bar. Next, we're going to type in terminal. Press enter. And that is how you open up your terminal.
Hey guys, welcome. Follow us at Dog Potty Training Secret on Instagram for amazing content and tips and tricks on how to potty train your puppy anywhere, anytime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Hit the bell button for the notifications. And thank you so much for watching.